Okay, I'm on Canvas here under assignments. Let's do assignment 3. So click on assignment 3 here. Then click on directions. So it opens a Google Doc. So our step 1 is to open a Google Doc and name it A3 boxplot example. So let's take the name, copy it, then go to Google, type in Google Docs. Then open Google Docs, click on the blank doc. Okay, click up in the title area and delete this and paste our new title. Okay, so we've done step 1. Now let's go back to the directions. Let's take all the directions now and paste them into the Google Doc we just created. Okay, so pasting them here. And now we can actually close the directions. So close the directions. Okay, so let's go through the steps then. So we just did step 1. So let's take that away. Step 2 says let M be this vector and S be this other vector here. In your Google Doc, write our code that would make box plots for M and S on the same plot with the following features. Main title as 2 box plots for comparison. Put your name here. Names M box plot for M. Names S1 box plot for S. Colors M box plot orange and S box plot red. Okay, so let's start writing the code here. So let's take our 2 vectors. Let's put it below here. It's my first vector and the second vector below it. Don't include the period there. Okay, so there's my second vector below it. Okay, so now we want start doing the box plot. So we'll be using then the box plot. So box plot, and let's do M comma S, and we want our main title to be so main to equal 2 box plots for comparison, and put your name here. And so you'll put your name. I'll put Professor McLaughlin. You'll put your name here. Okay, so I've done that. So then comma. So let's take away the ones that we've done. Let's see. So we did the main title. Okay, now we need names box plot. Names the M box plot as box plot for M. So we'll have our then names. Oops. So be names equals C parenthesis. So you want to name the M1. The M's in the first position. So therefore, we'll say box plot for M, the first one. Goes here. And comma. Then with the box plot for S next. Goes here. And closes vector and comma. So I'll give the proper names because M's in the first position, so therefore the box plot for M should be in first position. S is in second position, so box plot for S should be in second position, so this should be fine here. And then we need the colors. So the colors then would be COL equals, so vector, so C, and our M box plot, orange, so orange for first one. Because again, the M's in the first position and the S is in second position, we want the S guy to be red. So write red here. Close this. And I think that's it. So we need to close the box plot because the box plot has a parenthesis here, so we need to close at the very end here. Parenthesis. So this should be our R code right here. Okay, so looks like we're done with that step above. So let me get rid of the stuff up here then. So step 3, paste your box plot graph into your Google Doc. Okay, so I need to go to run our script and run our code here. So let's take this, copy it, then go to run our script. So rcommand.com. Okay, there we are. Okay, take away this, paste our guy here, and run it. And notice here the scroll bar is not showing up on my computer on the right over here. So that happens sometimes. So what you have to do is click on this square with 3 lines in it up here. Click on it, and just click on About and Close. There it shows up now, the scroll bar. So here's our box plots. Let's open a new window. There it is. So I think we need to insert this into our Google Doc now. So right click it and say copy image. Then go back to our Google Doc. So paste your box plot. Okay. So it looks like we've done step 3 there. Let's see, and we've done paste that, and then we've done that too. Insert box plot, graph to graph below. Yeah, we've done step 4 also. So after this, I guess we submit, it looks like. Let's take these away. Yeah, submit's the last step, so we'll do that in a second. So let's put our box plot here. So there's our completed assignment. We have our R code on top, and we have our 2 box plots down here. And so I have my name here, Professor McLaughlin, so it looks good. Looks like we got 1 outlier up here for this guy. It's fine. Let's take away step 5 here. Okay, so now let's share this. So click on share. Change with anyone. Let's change here. So anyone in this group. So actually I want anybody at all can view it. So click on the little triangle here. See anyone with link. Click on that. Say copy link. Done. Now let's go back to Canvas and paste it. Okay, so I'm back on Canvas here now. Under A3, let's submit our assignment. So click on submit, go down, choose paste our URL address here, then click on submit assignment, and we're done. Okay, so we've done assignment 3. So that's it. Right, so let's leave the video there. Actually, let me go back actually to our R code so you can see it for a second. So it's right here, the R code. So I'll let you look at that. You can pause the video and look at that. So let me look at it for a few seconds before I end the video. Okay, so the video is done.